Good morning, Andrea Piper here with Great Expectations Realty. I am here at headquarters, Grand Central Station, whatever you want to call it. We are actually prepping for our workshop for the month of April. It's on Friday night, and of course, everybody's invited. We're going to have, stuff for the kids to do. We're going to have Eric Eckenroth from PNC Bank come in, and he can talk to people about what they can afford with their mortgage if they're renting right now, or basically what the rates are and stuff like that. He can go over your credit with you if you need to, just all sorts of information on the bank level. And then for the rest of us, we're of course going to be looking at your wants versus needs on a home, and what the houses are available out there, and what areas and schools, and basically anything that you want to know about it. And this is basically, it's an after hours thing because so many of you guys work, so it's good to have all of this access to everyone, but it's after hours, which is great. So it's really nice that Eric is coming down to do that for us and to be there for us, and all of you guys. So definitely want to welcome you to that. So that for this month, it's going to be April 13th. But check our website out if you're not able to make it this Friday night. Please come down next month for our home buying workshop. So I noticed online that so many people said that it's not just that they don't have the funds for buying a house or their credit isn't that great, but they also don't know where to get started. So this is basically ground zero. This is a great way for you to kind of get your feet wet without, actually jumping full in. So you can kind of see how it all works and ask your questions. What I always tell people is there are no stupid questions. The only stupid questions is the one you didn't want to ask. So just feel free to ask. We're here for you. So basically, it's just something for everybody. So anyway, April 13th, that's Friday, and it is from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And there will be stuff to eat, so you don't have to scramble to get something for dinner or whatever. Come on down. We will have plenty of information and attention for you. So whatever you need or whoever you need, we got that. So that's for Friday night.